Runway of Hope is one of our mission-oriented events where we bring our children from High Hopes, both typically developing and those with special needs, on the runway to showcase their unique abilities and personalities.
It is just an amazing organization that's easy to get behind. We believe it is the heart of the mission of High Hopes.
How much fun it is and how much fun High Hopes has with the kids. I think it was just fun to watch him have fun.
It just feels so special to be able to be invited to work with these children, families, therapists, everybody that works at High Hopes.
Just to see the families, just the joy in seeing their kids showcased in something they may not be seen in anywhere else is amazing.
It's awesome. I love it, and I'm so glad to be a part of this.
Hi Hope.